to our body to help other people. So we basically sacrifice our life to be able to help other people, and for the spirits to be able to come through our body to be able to help somebody else. And imagine if a spirit comes to our body, if the spirit is too strong, we may not come back. So we take a chance with our life to allow people to be able to have communications with the spirits. And we don't get enough respect for who we are and what we do, because people automatically assume that we're there to kill. But if people really think about it, if we have the power to kill people, I think there's so many voodooists and there's so many things that they would do with that power to be able to kill. I don't think we'd have anybody back here on earth. And once they think about the voodoo doll with the pens, imagine if we really had the power to use it to kill. Well, how many people would we kill per day with that doll? So it doesn't exist. It's not part of the culture. It's not the tradition. It's just something Hollywood did to make movies, to make money. And they did what they were supposed to do. Now, it's our job as voodooisans and as African descendant to put our heads together, to work with a code, to help the other people, the generations that we have that are coming along, to know better. Don't hide behind a veil and be afraid of what people would think of you because you serve the spirits. You have nothing to fear. So that's my point and focus here, is to show everybody, black, yellow, green, blue, what is voodoo? What is that? What is it all about? Once the word come out, I'm here to explain. And that's my duty. I gladly took it ever since I was 7. That's it. Thank you.
What are you going to say?
Nothing.
Okay, I'll ask you the questions. Okay, so you call yourself Little Mumble. Why is that? What happened?
It's called us Little Mumble because it's got flowers. I don't know.
Okay, so what do you think about, what is this all about, the spirits and all? What do you feel about the spirits?
I feel glad that we're celebrating this, because so other people can know more and stuff like that.
Do you love the spirits? Do you know anything about the spirits?
Yeah, a little.
Which spirit is your favorite?
Well, I wouldn't say that I know about it, but the one that I know the most is lasirene. I know one of her songs.
Oh, let me hear it.
Come on, go ahead. Mouth is not open.
Go ahead, go.
Do I have to say it now or just wait until they get back to work?
Now.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
La sirène, la baleine, chaperon tombé dans la neige. Et la sirène, la baleine, chaperon tombé dans la neige. M'a fait l'âme avec la sirène,
Chapeau
tombé dans la mer.
m'a fait caresse à la sirène, non, chapeau tombé dans la mer. La sirène,
La baleine, chaperon tombé dans la mer. Et la sirène, la baleine, chaperon tombé dans la mer.
Here you got it. This was the 5th generation of LabelleDeesse Dereale, which is my niece, the first granddaughter of LabelleDeesse Dereale. Of course, she just told you lasirene is her favorite spirit, and that's the only song she knows for now. So I think we already have an idea who's the owner of her head, right? Alrighty. Okay, bye.